Don't it? Like, what's it?
I love it when we make love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be filming a night routine because I don't really know why, but this is a very requested video, so you guys wanted it, so I'm giving it to you. But I'm actually quite excited to do this as well though, and I know I haven't filmed for YouTube in literally like 4 weeks, and I know it's so bad. But I think when I first started YouTube, like posting properly, like back then, I was kind of just like, oh my god, I want to film so many videos, I want to get them all out, you know, when I should have kind of just like waited and posted one every week, because then that would have been fine. But yeah, I kind of haven't filmed in like 4 weeks because I've been doing schoolwork, I've been tired, stuff like that. But I'm back. Anyway, I'm just rambling on, so I'm actually going to shut up now and get into the video, I guess. I'm probably just going to sit on my phone for a couple more minutes. It's the tiniest bit later now and I'm about to get in the shower, so I just thought I'd show you taking my makeup off. So when I wear like natural makeup, like just eyebrows and mascara, I do just use baby wipes to take it off. However, if I was doing a full face, then I'd use like micellar water and cotton pads to take it off, because baby wipes I think are bad for your skin, I'm pretty sure. That's what I've heard a lot of people say. I'm sure some makeup, like baby wipes, aren't that great, but like makeup wipes are. I usually get makeup wipes from Primark, but obviously Primark's shut at the minute, so I obviously can't get any from there. So the mirror that I'm actually using is one from Easehold, and it is literally my favourite mirror, and it's so dirty. I'm gonna get in the shower now, and I am exfoliating my entire body because I'm gonna fake tan tonight. I'm gonna have a shower and then I'll get back to you. So I've just had a shower and I've put my hair up because I'm about to show you my skincare routine and what products I use and stuff, because quite a lot of you want to know like what my everyday skincare routine kind of thing is. Skincare routine is different from the morning to the evening, but it is kind of similar in a way. I'm just going to show you what I use.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
So now I'm going to fake tan my body using the Bondi Sands fake tan. I've never actually used this tan before though. I actually got it the other day, it was new. I got it from Pretty Little Thing and I think it was like £15 or something. But I'm going to tan my whole body in this because I haven't faked tan in a while. Is that better? Oh my god, yes. So I've just tanned like the top half of my body, and oh my god, this tan literally smells incredible. Like, it smells so good. It's supposed to be coconut scented flavour. It literally smells better than coconut. Probably going to do like a second layer of this as well, because it says you can do a second layer. You reapply it like after 30 minutes, which I probably will do, because I do like my tan dark. And this is in the shade, I don't know, shade dark, colour dark. Not too sure. So this is the colour difference in my legs. Obviously this leg's tanned, this leg hasn't got any tan on it yet, and I am going to do 2 layers. Right, so I've now done 2 layers of fake tan, and it's not too dark, but like obviously it does have time to develop and everything. Now I'm just going to fake tan my face. A bit of this on the tanning mitt, and this brush. It's kind of cute, you know. I put a bit too much on there, not gonna lie. Oh my god, no, I regret that. Oh my god, no, what am I doing? What am I doing? Might turn out like a Cocoa Pop. Oh well, we love Cocoa Pops. I mean, I love Cocoa Pops. Don't know about you. One of my favourite cereals, and I literally don't have them at my house. Like, we have these other Cocoa Pops and they literally taste like Weetabix. So now that I've finished tanning, I'm going to go downstairs and get hot chocolate because I actually really want a hot chocolate. There's like hardly a night that I go without getting hot chocolate, so I'm gonna make hot chocolate. Oh my god, I'm in the dark, it's so scary. I can't find the light. Oh, that's scary. Oh, I made it up the stairs, guys. I literally had to run in the dark and that was kind of really scary. OG sunglasses, you know. I think it's like, I don't know, Alexa, what's the time?
It's 9:39 p.m.
Didn't realise it was that late. Sorry for anyone's Alexas I just triggered. If you haven't tried eating a 12 this way, this is going to change your life, okay? So you get 12 and a hot drink. I wouldn't say coffee. I mean, because I don't like coffee, It's kind of gross, not gonna lie, but if you have a hot chocolate or like a tea or something with a twirl, you split the twirl in half, bite off one end of the twirl, you put it in the end of your drink, and then you like pretend it's like a straw and drink through it, and then like all through the twirl it's like melted, and oh my god, it's incredible. Like, you need to try it, it's gonna change your life. I swear this will literally change your life. Like, whenever you have a twirl next, try it, because you're gonna fall in love. I'm gonna sit here now and just watch some YouTube for a bit. I'm watching Saffron Barker's new video where she threw a music festival in her back garden, and I'm just gonna sit here and drink my hot chocolate while I watch that. So I've nearly finished watching Saffron Barker's video, and oh my god, it's so good. It's literally made me want to have a festival at home. So guys, I'm now live on Instagram, and I'm live with Looks by Maddie with 2 S's. You should always follow her on Instagram, and follow anyone that you see in the comments here. I'm on house party now with Georgia, Caitlin, Lily, Izzy and Maddie.
I didn't on this YouTube video.
I'm going to end this video here because there's nothing else I'm going to be doing apart from just talking to my friends. But thank you all so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to go check out my Instagram. I'll pop it on the screen here. Please make sure you like and comment more video ideas, or if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.